Hello, I'm Wendy from the York Law Firm in Sacramento. There are times when I'm sitting across the table from a defendant's attorney when I must remind myself that there really are two sides to every argument. When bad things happen to seniors in nursing homes that seem clear-cut to me, but then are explained away by defense lawyers with some bogus excuse, instead of getting upset, I remind myself that I get to expose their lies. Take, for example, a case of death by fecal impaction. One of my elderly clients was so constipated that she was unable to poop for multiple days with no interventions by the care facility, until the condition finally killed her. I was sitting across the table from a defense attorney for the nursing facility who said to me, "Well, Wendy, your client was taking lots of meds. That gave her constipation, and that's a natural side effect of the medication." Really? I could feel my blood pressure rising. It's natural for a nursing facility charged with her care and to look out for side effects of the medications to let their patient lie in pain and slowly die from their poop backing up? I asked. The defense attorney said, "Well, yeah, I can pay a doctor to testify that these kinds of issues are normal." No, sir, there's nothing normal about an 85-year-old suffering excruciating pain over 4 to 5 days and not able to void until she finally dies because no one at your client's facility bothered to chart and note lack of bowel movements and totally failed to monitor for medication side effects. Have they heard of laxatives? There's nothing normal about finding a dry, softball-sized fecal impaction in an 85-year-old woman's autopsy. In this case, the facility had an obligation to monitor the bowel and bladder habits of its patients because so much of her overall health depended on it. It is a standard practice at every skilled nursing facility to track bowel movements. If a patient goes for 3 days without going to the bathroom, there is something horribly wrong and immediate medical attention is needed. So, sorry defense lawyer, there's no middle ground on this one. You can't argue that a softball-sized fecal impaction is normal and that everything will work out. My client, your patient, died because many people at their facility failed to monitor her care needs and give her medical attention. And when I trace incidents like this back, it's almost always due to a highly preventable cause: inadequate staffing. The administrators and executives of nursing home chains want to save money. The easiest way to increase their profits is to hire fewer staff and make the existing staff handle more patients with heavier workloads. Yes, there are always two sides to every argument, but sometimes when facilities drop the ball, the other party needs to acknowledge their mistakes and just own up to the facts. Our elderly parents and seniors, they deserve better. I'm Wendy York of the York Law Firm in Sacramento. Thank you for watching.